Toby Lamantla Mugabe and Tobias Mugabe Matono, they appeared in court this morning and they're facing 3 charges. First charge is attempted murder and second charge is defeating the cause of justice. And then the third and final one is possession of a firearm. So the state has opposed bail because they have to check their legal statuses through the immigration department to see if they're legal. And they have highlighted that their case is far from being over. So their lawyer proposed that their bail hearing should take place on the 3rd of March next week, which is Tuesday. Let's just look at all the 3 charges that they are facing. Number 3, they said they're charging them with possession of a firearm. Possession for something not found in your custody. Kanjan. How? Make it make sense to me. I don't know those who did law. Please help me on this one. How can they charge, how can they say possession for something that wasn't found with them? The firearm is still not found. And then number 2, defeating the cause of justice. Number 1 and 2, they work hand in hand. So there's no way they will charge them for defeating the cause of justice. Whilstly they are actually saying we did not attempt this murder. We did not do it. So number 1 and 2 is already out. So without evidence, I don't know. So this means that for the next 8 days, they'll be inside. And this is going to be a difficult period, a difficult moment for them because Home Affairs needs to check if very legal South Africa ikoko. And hopefully very legal because inogona kuita 4th charge again, inogona kuwedzera. Kunzi vanenge kana vasiri legal inenge yakunzi futi vaka overstay kana kuti vakaita sei whatever inenge yaimwe futi unogona kutopiwa mamonths or so. And pakadaro manje iyoyo manje vanotonoigarira kujere yekunzi tomboti mamwe ese aya 3 vanzi vari havana mhosva 3 ese kuti macharges avainawo already, but the 4th one yeimmigration manje inobva yavabatirira. Kana vasina mapepa vasina kutombomira zvakanaka kuSouth Africa tozoti vanogona kutongorwa chitsotsi chacho 2 minutes passport inogona kuendeswa in and out ikatogara yatongonzi iri right. Izvozvo ndo zvavanogona kuSouth Africa, they can do that, kudzorera mazuva kudididi ngori mari vevanoda mari. But in the event yekuti hazvipo izvozvo mapepa haana kunyatsomira zvakanaka zvese izvozvo zviri kutadza kuitika, which means kuti inenge yatova another 4th charge. Aiwa zviri kuita kuvateerera vakomana vacho hazvina kutombomira zvakanaka. Ndatonzwawo tsitsi ndichivaona ndikati nai veduwe vana ava chii. And seemingly Tobias Mugabe vatori neukama brother yake, but I don't know to brother pakudi. And also a lot of people are curious kuda kunyatsonzwa kuti in my mind I was like, this guy looks like a Mugabe. I think I saw him somewhere also anchaziya, I don't know kuti ndakamuona kupi. Ndaisada kutaura because zvanga sina verification, but now that I saw that he's also a Mugabe Matonodze, I don't know how they link, but anyway they are related. So in this matter, it's going to be a long week for them. You know, it's not nice being in prison because apani ngwakutomuvwa, correct me if I'm, I don't know if I'm correct on this one, kuti vanenge vakutomuvwa from my cells, then vonogara kune vanhu vanenge vakamirira, vanenge vane kwavo kwekuti vanhu havana kusentenswa, vanonogariswa kune vanhu vasina kusentenswa. Handizivi, but I feel like ndo zvinoitwa, I don't know. And at this moment the state is trying to prove kuti vane case. Ndo pane nyaya lawyer ravo, hopefully my lawyers avo vari 2, hopefully they are going to, because it's like they are being charged vari 2 zvese according to court iri kuati zvese vari 2 because havasati vatombozoti who had the firearm havana zvese so zvinhu zvese zviri kungodzi double mhosva dzavo vari 2 and malawyers ava vakanyatsobuda zvakanaka naka ukada kuidrafta tsoro yacho vanobuda vanavo zvakanaka zvinenge chii, because as far as I know state is trying to prove kuti vanhu havane mhosva beyond reasonable doubt, which we know kuti vari kutatarika kuti vavatsvagire mhosva, of which amen. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts panyaya iyi. Wasara subscriber, please make sure that you're subscribed and see you in my next video.